Good day, class. We are here again for a brand new lesson entitled Video Editing. For the content standard, the learners demonstrate an understanding of video editing tools. For the performance standard, the learners create graphics design in a safe and responsible manner. For the learning objectives, at the end of the lesson, the students should be able to 1. Describe the different video editing software. 2. Select appropriate video editing software for basic video editing works. 3. Navigate the different user interface of video editing. Before we start, let us have a short activity. Identify if the pictures are real or edited. Good job! The picture is real. It is the Exsender House. It is a distinctive round building, nearly 90 meters high, built on top of an old, listed high-rise bunker. The building's unique design features sections of 5 stories arranged obliquely, creating a relaxed silhouette. How about this one? Is it real or edited? Correct! It is edited. The picture of the dog is combined with the ear, nose, and hair of a pig. How about this one, real or edited? Very good! It is edited. The cave has a face of a girl and animated character. Next picture. Is it real or edited? Correct! It is real. Mount Rushmore is a famous monument in the USA with 4 U.S. presidents carved into it. Now, let's discuss the different video editing applications. Let's start! Video editing. Video editing is the art and science of combining video, images, audio, and text, used in filmmaking, vlogging, social media, education, and more. The main goal is to shorten and refine raw footage into a meaningful final product. Editors must choose the right software or app for the task. There are various video editing tools suited for different users. DaVinci Resolve is ideal for advanced editors, offering features like color grading, audio, and multicam editing. For beginners, iMovie is a user-friendly option with pre-made templates, great for social media content. Shotcut is an open-source editor with broad format support and a customizable interface, suitable for flexible editing needs. HitFilm Express is good for basic to intermediate users who want to add visual effects and animations, though some features are paid. VSC is best for Windows users doing basic to moderate editing, with tools like transitions and color correction. For mobile editing, InShot is a handy app that allows trimming, adding text or stickers, and music all from a smartphone. CapCut stands out with its trendy effects, speed controls, and easy-to-use templates. It's free and available on both iOS and Android, making it a top choice for social media content creators. Viva Video is another beginner-friendly app offering basic editing, licensed music, text overlays, and collage tools. It's available on mobile with free and paid versions. Quick by GoPro offers fast, automatic edits with smart cuts and transitions great for action footage and quick results. Adobe Premiere Pro is a pro-level editor with multicam, color grading, and motion graphics, ideal for film and TV. Windows Mac. Paid. Final Cut Pro is a Mac-only tool known for its magnetic timeline, smart libraries, and advanced audio popular among professionals. Now, let's discuss the video editing process. The video editing process begins with pre-production, which involves careful planning and preparation. First, create a storyboard or sequence outline to define the video's message and structure. This helps guide the editing flow and ensures clarity. Online tools or templates can make storyboarding easier. Next, gather all necessary materials such as video clips, images, music, and sound effects before starting the actual editing. The second stage of the video editing process is production, where you start shaping your raw materials into a finished video. Begin by importing and organizing your media video clips, images, music, and sound effects into your chosen editing software, whether it's free, open source, or paid. Next, move on to the timeline editing, where you arrange and trim clips in sequence. Add text and titles for introductions, labels, or captions to guide your viewers. To improve flow and visual interest, apply transitions between clips and enhance your video with effects like filters, slow motion, or green screen. Finally, focus on audio editing, add background music and sound effects, and adjust volume levels to ensure a clean and balanced sound mix. The third and final step in the video editing process is post-production. This includes exporting the video in the appropriate format and resolution for your platform, such as YouTube or Facebook. Optionally, color grading can be applied to enhance the video's tone and mood, giving it a polished, professional look. Video editing serves many purposes across different fields. It's essential in filmmaking for storytelling, in marketing for creating ads and product demos, and in education for making tutorials and explainer videos. It also boosts content on social media, supports journalism through edited reports and interviews, and powers entertainment like music videos, game highlights, and vlogs. Understanding user interface UI and user experience UX is key to creating apps and websites that are easy to use, efficient, and enjoyable for users. The user interface UI refers to everything a user sees and interacts with when using a digital product, such as a website, app, or software. It includes buttons, menus, icons, and layout, essentially how the system presents itself and responds to the user's actions. In video editing software, the UI serves as a bridge between the user and the editing tools. A clear and well-organized UI helps users work more efficiently and intuitively, making the editing process smoother and more productive. Key components of a video editor's user interface include the timeline, which is the main area for arranging clips, audio, and effects, the project panel where imported media files are organized, and the preview window, which displays the current section being edited. Toolbars and panels provide access to editing tools, while effects and presets offer quick, ready-made options to enhance the video. Good user interface design follows key principles to enhance user experience. It should have an intuitive layout with easily accessible tools, provide visual feedback to show the project's status, and support customization so users can adjust their workspace. Efficiency is boosted through shortcuts and smooth workflows, while consistency in design ensures a more seamless and user-friendly experience. Video editing software offers different user interface styles. Adobe Premiere Pro has a customizable, feature-rich UI. Final Cut Pro provides a clean and efficient layout, while DaVinci Resolve features a powerful interface with advanced color grading tools. Next is User Experience UX, which refers to how users feel while using a video editing app, whether the process is smooth, easy, and satisfying. Good UX ensures a seamless workflow that supports creativity without technical frustrations. Key aspects of user experience UX include intuitive navigation with clear labels, accessible tools and shortcuts, and smooth performance even with large files. Good UX also offers personalization through adaptable workspaces, clear feedback for user actions, and error prevention with helpful warnings. Lastly, built-in learning resources like tutorials support beginners in mastering the software. Basic video editing techniques are essential for creating clear, engaging, and professional-looking videos. They help improve flow, remove mistakes, and enhance the overall viewing experience. One basic video editing technique is trimming, which involves cutting out unwanted parts from the beginning, middle, or end of a clip. This helps remove mistakes, keeps the video concise, and ensures smooth scene transitions. For example, trimming an interview clip to start right when the person begins talking makes it more direct and engaging. Another basic video editing technique is cropping. Cropping is a video editing technique that removes the outer edges of a frame to focus on the main subject, eliminate distractions, and improve composition like zooming in on a person within a wide landscape shot. In video editing, several techniques enhance both clarity and creativity. Text is used to add information, labels, or captions, helping viewers understand key points. Visual effects bring style and emotion, making scenes more dynamic. Images support the content visually, reinforcing the message. Transitions ensure smooth changes between scenes, maintaining the flow. Narration helps guide the audience and explain concepts, while audio effects add mood and realism to the video. Together, these techniques create a more engaging and polished final product. Now, let's have a short quiz. All you have to do is to match the following editing techniques with their descriptions. Here are the answer. For number 1, D, 2, C, 3, A, 4, B, and 5, E.